Overview of the food processing industry. Food processing is the method of converting agricultural produce into intermediary or finished foods, which are safe for consumption. They could be processed foods, ready-to-eat foods, food additives, or food used to prepare other food products. It includes numerous primary activities like slicing, grading, or freezing, as well as secondary activities like pasteurization and packaging. Food processing also focuses on food preservation as a method of enhancing the shelf life and quality of processed foods. The food processing industry in India is divided into several subsectors. They are dairy, fruit and vegetable processing, grains and cereals, fisheries, meat and poultry processing, bread and bakery, consumer foods. Food materials go through to become final, consumable products for various customers. Introduction to the bread and bakery industry. A bakery is an establishment that prepares baked food products. They are produced using two methods such as fermentation and non-fermentation. These products are further classified upon the process of production like under fermented products, breads and buns, cakes, croissants. Non-fermented products, cookies, biscuits, crackers. Overview of the baking process. Baking is the method of cooking food with the help of dry heat, controlled in an oven, hot ashes or hot stones. A combination of three forms of heat is used for the baking process. These three forms are radiation. Heat is radiated from walls of the oven. Hot air circulation. Hot air is blown in circles inside the oven. Conduction. Heat is conducted through baking pan or tray. Craft baker. Overview of the baking process. Baking is the method of cooking food with the help of dry heat, controlled in an oven, hot ashes, or hot stones. A combination of three forms of heat is used for the baking process. These three forms are convection, radiation, conduction. Following are the broad steps giving an overview of the entire process of baking. Pre-mixing, dough preparation, dividing, dough molding, proofing, fermentation or non-fermentation, baking, cooling, depanning, slicing and packing. Let us summarize the process of baking with the help of this process chart.
Craft Baker, code FICSI Q5002, NSQF Level 4, version 3.0. Let us talk about vertical and horizontal progression for craft baker. A craft baker can obtain training for industrial baker as well as for artisanal chocolate maker at same NSQF level as horizontal progression and increase his or her scope in bakery subsector by adding more product portfolio in existing catalog or can make himself eligible to work in all kinds of industrial as well as artisanal bakery units. As a vertical progression for craft baker, there is processed food entrepreneur where person can enroll after attaining 2 years of work experience as a craft baker or artisanal chocolate maker in any bakery unit. After completing the training in craft baker, a person can do variety of work or start a small scale self-owned bakery unit in local area or as well as in market. He can add variety of product in his bakery unit such as cake, breads, biscuits and cookies. Bakery is one of the best business opportunity in food processing sector, and consumer from average and above average families are always demand to have bakery products in their daily meals. By establishing a bakery unit, one can achieve high level of success in their career by maintaining good social connects and reputation in the local market or by establishing a brand. You can also apply for job profiles such as craft baker or bakery expert in local bakery units after completing this training and can do all kind of industrial as well as artisanal bakery jobs.